Woo! Yeah! Today, look at this. This is my first fully functional, better than toy grade RC car, in my opinion. I got this a long time ago from Radio Shack, but not this one. This one was something I found on the used market. Yeah, flamethrower. Okay, welcome back everybody. My name is Rex. This is the first time I'm going to open it since I picked this up. Whew, some feelings are coming back already. I'm super excited. I did have this before, and I think I took it apart to do something with it and stopped caring about it, and I regret it ever since. And when I thought about it, I decided to look on Kijiji and found one almost immediately. Actually, I found two. One in this green color and one in the yellow color. The yellow one is actually the one that I had. Wow. Yeah, the yellow one's the one I had, not the green one. But I've got the yellow one. A buddy of mine has it at his house. He picked it up for me in another city. So I'm waiting to get that one back. But until then, I am super satisfied with the green one. So it's nearly impossible to find any information on this at all online. I've searched for quite a while, and there's like no, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Woo! It's here. Okay, so like there's only 2 or 3 people I've seen who have videos, and they're not really good videos. They don't really show me anything. Well, I guess they have as much information as I do, which is nothing. Okay, here it is. So I've gone ahead and asked my wife to put batteries in the box just for me, so that I'm ready when I decide to pull this out. And she has done that. So, let's see. Woo! Now before this, prior to having an RC like this, I had wired remote controlled cars. Nothing ever wireless before this one, specifically. And after this, I kind of went ham and always asked my parents to buy me these little dinky ones from Zellers and whatnot. Here we go. Oh, this thing is mint. What did this guy do? Never played with it? Wow, look at that. Yeah, I remember this antenna being incredibly short. I felt cool about that. I was like, yeah, I don't need a long antenna. The whole turbo thing, the Tyco ripoff, I guess. Tyco ripped somebody else off. Well, Tyco's from Tayo, and the story goes on. Wow, this is tight. And the battery door's there. Nobody ever has battery doors. Wow. Okay. Wow. Ooh, I'm starting to get goosebumps. I remember standing inside Radio Shack. There was no special reason why I got it. You know what I think it was? It was shortly after Christmas. And Christmas wasn't super toy-filled for us, usually. So it wasn't great, but I think my parents really knew I wanted one of these. And we were walking through the mall one weekend after Christmas. It might have been around Boxing time. And we went to Radio Shack. I had zero interest in any of these RC cars because I thought, yeah, it's way too much money. My parents are not gonna, you know, they can't be getting this kind of stuff for me. We need to keep paying bills and putting food on the table. We weren't exactly a wealthy family. And I'd seen my dad talking to an associate at Radio Shack, and I thought nothing of it. I thought maybe he's looking for something. Wow, this is immaculate. And I thought maybe he was just talking to the associate for something for himself. Well, I come around the corner, I believe it was a little bit later with my brother, or my mom came and got me, I don't remember. 8 double A's, baby, I love that. I love it. Why do I like it? Because you can find double A's anywhere, people, anywhere. I like double A vehicles because you can find the batteries anywhere. Do I pick them over battery packs? No, not necessarily. But I do like having standard cylindrical battery operated RC cars. Kyosho Mini Z series, I love those. They use AAA batteries, which you can find anywhere at any time. No need to find a charger, bring your batteries, blah, 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 blah. Go to any corner store, pick up AAAs and you can run. Or double A's in this case. Wow. Anyway, so I came around the corner and my dad had a yellow one of these out in front of him in an open box. And I'm thinking, what the heck is going on here? Why is my dad looking at that? An immediate, massive smile on my face. I'm like, there's no way he's looking at that for anybody else but me. It's mine. Of course it's mine. He's looking at it for me. I go over, massive smile on my face. I can't wipe it off. And he just starts to ask me, do I like it? I know nothing about anything. I've had wired RC cars before this. Of course I like it. Are you kidding me? It's not the Tamiyas I saw or the HPIs I was seeing around and Duratraxes I was looking at. But this was an RC car with no wire, and the guy sold me on this. The associate goes, look, there's a high speed and a low speed. So you can go off-road and go fast. Woo! That blew my mind. It had gears? Like a real car? No way. Anyways, my dad spent a lot of time talking to the guy, working out rechargeable AA batteries and whatnot. Immediately he got rechargeable AA's. He knew he didn't want to have to keep buying disposables over and over and over again for me. And that's the story of how I got it. I played with mine so much. Mine was definitely not in this condition. Mine was dirty and pretty beat up because I jumped it. I did everything I could with it. One mistake though I made with this thing when I had it before. I kept it in high speed very often, which sure gave me a high top speed, but it took forever to get there. And the problem is most of the runways and most of the areas I was playing in didn't have a big enough space for me to get to top speed anyway. So I never utilized the full speed of this. And I only realized it many years later. And there's actually a good story that goes with that. I was in Ottawa, Canada, visiting some family after purchasing this, after getting it from my parents. And one of the neighbors there had a Tyco Bandit, and he challenged me to a race. And I was confident I was gonna win. So I made sure this puppy was in high gear, and we took off after the countdown. Well, I lost. Of course I lost. I was in high gear, and we only raced for like 5 meters. There's no way I was gonna win. I didn't know what I was doing. It was a 9.6 volt vehicle, this Tyco Bandit. And I thought, well, mine's 9.6 and in high gear. Why am I not winning? Well, folks, I have a 9.6 volt vehicle downstairs. I have this again. It's time for a redemption race one day, but that's in another video. Let's go ahead and put batteries in this thing. Oh man, I'm excited. The guy did say it worked. Well, it worked when he put it away, and there shouldn't be any reason why it doesn't work. Let's see. Oh, I'm getting excited. I feel like the first time I was putting batteries in this thing when I was a kid. Oh man. Savor this little moment. One thing I always did wrong as a kid, and I almost did it here, I always tried to put it on backwards. I like that locking system. Okay. So this is, I believe it's a 380 motor or 300 motor back there. 280, not a 280. 380 looks like. Maybe smaller. Actually, it looks a little smaller. It's a long can, that's for sure. It's got torque. I'm gonna put it in high gear to hear that original high gear whine. It's like turbo lag. Let's turn this puppy on. Let's put on a stand. Ooh, I'm excited. Ooh, I'm excited. Ooh, I'm excited. Ready? Woo! It works! Yeah! Oh. Oh my god! Okay, I don't remember being that fast. Whoa. Whoa, hang on. Let's see low gear. Does the gears work? Turbo! Ooh, that sounds funky. Low gear sounds a little crunchy. That sounds really crunchy. I'll have to open that up and check it out. That's insane. This works. Woohoo! It burns out. Wow. So that's it, folks. This is a Radio Shack Go, I guess, flamethrower. This is the green version. I have the yellow version coming. Oh, these tires are in great condition too. Amazing. Well, I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet, but I definitely want to run this. But the outside is covered in salt and snow. And I'm not going to be running it in salt and snow. Maybe I'll take it apart and clean it up first. Double check that everything's okay. Whew, this is amazing. Thanks for joining me. This was an amazing experience. Thank you so much for keeping this in such great condition, Mr. Seller. Wow. Okay, peace out.